Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you can make a recharge on your TikTok, how to recharge coins on your TikTok. So without wasting time, let's go. So you open your TikTok like the way I did. See, open your TikTok, tap on your page or your profile, go there, type this 3 icon here. So you see your settings, touch on your settings and go to balance. This balance, you see your TikTok balance. Like me, this is my balance on my TikTok. This is my TikTok coin. This is the reward at the top here, the top right corner here. This is where the gift they gifted you on the live stream. So this is the coin you have recharged, the remaining balance of your coin. So right here you see recharge, right here you see recharge, right here, like exchange here, and you see recharge here. So this exchange means that if you click on this exchange, it means you want to exchange these coins here they give to you. That's you want to exchange the live coin they give to you here, reward. So but when you click on this one, it means you want to recharge for your TikTok for you to be able to gift. So right here you can also click on this place to see your transaction. Like me, you guys can see how much I made transactions. So over here when you click on recharge exchange, then you're gonna exchange. Sorry guys, when you click on exchange, you see exchange. So you want to exchange, but you click on recharge. So right here you can go directly to your bank, but click, or you have any option, any other, you can click for more, then others, and have some information if you are left there. So this is it guys. So hit the subscribe button, please hit the notification bell anytime I post videos so you can get a notification. Thank you.